Hi everyone, welcome back to Timeless Hymns and Worship. I have something deeply personal and inspiring to share with you today. It's a story of how a chance encounter with a YouTube creator named Do completely transformed my journey. This is a story of perseverance, inspiration, and how sometimes, the most unexpected things can push us toward our goals. If you've heard of Do, you might be familiar with the drama and controversy surrounding her. From being accused of scamming to being questioned about the authenticity of her story, there's a lot of talk online. But today, I'm not here to discuss the rumors. I'm here to tell you how her story, yes, despite all the controversy, motivated me and changed my life. Do's impact on me. A few months ago, I was at a crossroads. My hymnal channel was barely growing. I would upload content sporadically, but deep down, I was losing the passion. The channel I created was meant to be a source of hope and inspiration for many, but I wasn't posting regularly, and I was losing faith. But everything changed the day I stumbled upon Do. Now, Do, you may have seen her viral video where she's crying about how tired she was with her food delivery business. She was feeling defeated, wondering if it was all worth it. She posted this emotional video and, soon after, shared that she had been monetized. That story hit me hard. It wasn't just about her business struggles, it was about the human side of building something from nothing, facing challenges, and still pushing through. When I watched her, I thought, if she can do it, why can't I? Do, a 40-year-old woman who was sharing her failures and triumphs, gave me the courage to stick with it. Her transparency and dedication lit a fire inside me. And you know what? Because of her, I started creating more content consistently. Now let me talk about the power of perseverance. When I first started, there were days I thought it was all too much. The work seemed endless. I'd post one video, then wait for days with no views or engagement. But watching Do's journey reminded me that it wasn't about instant results, it was about sticking with it, even when things weren't going well. Do's story taught me that no matter how tough it gets, it's the commitment that counts. She didn't give up on her dream, even when people doubted her. And honestly, her struggles made me realize that everyone faces obstacles, whether you're building a food delivery business or a hymnal channel. It's about persistence. The controversy behind Do. Now, let's talk about the controversy surrounding Do, because, let's face it, it's hard to ignore all the gossip about her. People are calling her a scammer, some say her success is exaggerated, and there's a growing conversation about whether she's telling the truth. I've seen titles like, Do Exposed, Why I Unfollowed Do, and, Is Do Really Lying to You? Here's the thing. Yes, there's a lot of noise online. But for me, it wasn't about all the drama. I didn't follow her story because of the controversy. I followed it because I saw a woman who, despite all the negativity and struggles, kept moving forward. Sometimes people tear others down because they're intimidated by their journey or because they don't understand their struggle. But we can't let that stop us from taking inspiration from those who fought through their battles. Lessons learned. When I finally reached monetization on Timeless Hymns and Worship, I thought back to that day when I first saw Do's video. It wasn't just about the views or the money, it was about proving to myself that I could overcome my doubts and keep pushing forward. If I had given up, I wouldn't be here today. My channel wouldn't have grown to this point. And that's why, even with all the talk about her, I will always be grateful for Do. She gave me the motivation I needed to keep going. I know some people have strong opinions about Do, but for me, her story was a wake-up call. If she can overcome her challenges and get to where she is today, so can I, and so can you. I'm sharing this with you today not to talk about the drama or the rumors, but to remind you that success doesn't come easily. It's about showing up every day, even when things seem tough. So, if you're out there struggling, know that your breakthrough could be just around the corner. Thank you for listening to my story. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, no matter what, keep going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already.